Alright, here we are once again. Car Fix 101. Alright. You're going to do an oil change today. And what you're seeing now is, this is where it's jacked up. I don't know when they do your oil, but see this special hockey puck here? Right there. You put it right on, that's the jack point there. I know some dealerships, they'll just jack it up on their hoist, and a lot of times what will happen, see this point here? Right here, they'll crack this right here in the backside there. They don't give a shit. So what you use is that little hockey puck there, and then there's my little hydraulic, and it's perfect. Doesn't touch nothing. So I heard a lot of horror stories. A lot of guys take it into the dealership, and the guys would hoist it on, and it'd be sticking past this part here, see? Right there, and it'd crack the actual underneath here. Right. Not good. You should check yours just in case. Anyways, so now, if you can see, it's pretty dark. I already have it jacked up. There's the bolt there, and there's your filter there. Alright? Not much light here, so bear with me. Need my other light, but oh well. Right? You can see that or not. Right there, like so. And hold on. Get this thing to stand up. Can't. Kind of awkward here, toots. Let's see if we get a far shot here. Hold on. I don't know if you can see that, but how's that? Is that better? Right? Yeah, you can see that. Good. There you go. What you're gonna do is you're gonna loosen the bolt, pan bolt, right, like so. Like my gloves. Check that out. Like so. Can you see that? Let me see here. Yeah, you can see that. Right, and that's it. So you're gonna loosen the bolt, like so. Right? And my rag. Right? And like so. Get the oil pan to hold it. And damn camera. Camera's gonna be a little shitty today, so bear with me. Alright. There you go. You're gonna loosen the pan bolt. Oil's gonna come squirting out, so you gotta be careful. Right. There you go. Look at that. Texas Gold. Hit a gusher. That's it. So you're going to let that drain for about 10 minutes or so. I don't know if you can see that. I can't see here, man. Yeah, you can see it. See that oil spewing out? Right? And you let that drain for about 10 minutes. And you take the filter off, which I'll do in a second here. Wipe this off, right? Like so. Let's put that down. Now, we'll loosen the filter up here. Got a filter wrench for that, baby. You can see that or not, I don't know. Right? The same thing now. Right? You can see that. You can see that or not. I guess you can. Can you? Hold on. Hold on. Let me see here. There it is there, right? It's get the light up there. Like so. Okay. Alright, there we go. Now, it's gonna twist and loosen the filter like so. That thing's on strong. Stop laughing, G. Right. That's pretty much it. Right. Trust me, never trust any dealers to do this crap, because you hear a lot of stories and crap overfilling with oil, and hell no, man. I have to do it myself. There you go. Now you're gonna let it drip out. Just let that drain. Right. Okay. Yeah. Right. So you're gonna take that off and screw it like so. Oh, there we go. Got some oil on my ass. Right. Right. I'll just stick it in the box. So, throw that bad boy out. Just want to clean that oil up. Right. There you go. So you let it drip from the oil filter up top and the oil pan. Just let that sit for about 10 minutes till it comes all out. And that's it. We're going to bolt it back up. There you go. Part 2 soon.